Hello traders, welcome to Trade Hotspot. Once again we are live on morning session, Asia session, and we are going to trade into this both session like Asia session and London session. So we will try to find base trades here. So let's see what are those trades we are getting today. The market is having movement right now. We can see there's movement in the market. So let's see guys, we will do analysis first, top to bottom analysis, and after that we can find the trades here, right? So you can see guys on 15-minute chart or 15-minute time frame, the gold is moving down right now and it's taking some retracement here. This is at some retracement, and you can see this is an facing rejection here at this moment. So what we'll do, we will try to find the liquidity sweep here as per our entry model, right, on 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame, but there is no liquidity sweep here in 15 minutes. Let's see, we will wait here for liquidity sweep and then we will make an entry here in the gold. You can see the gold on daily time frame, there is a low pending here, liquidity is pending here, you can see. So maybe gold can come up to this level to sweep out the liquidity of this level, and then it can be retrace or break down, right? So today you can focus for this level, like this is level of 4023, right? So this is the level the gold can reach. Okay, so yesterday a low already taken out by the gold here, you can see guys. Okay, so what we'll focus now, there is open level here only, and this level already we have marked and already we have discussed about this level, so we can focus this level on gold. Okay, so the plan is right now I want liquidity sweep candle here in 15-minute time frame, or we can say the 5-minute time frame, it's fine, also fine, but there is a this is a liquidity sweep right here because this is taken out the high of previous candle and closes below the high of previous candle. It's a liquidity sweep right here, but there is a no change in state. I'm not able to see here on 5-minute chart, like 5-minute time frame. So I want multiple confirmation, as you know guys, right? So let's we will focus, or we will do analysis of some other charts like US 500 and US 100. We will look here. Okay guys, so first of all, after gold ultra, I would like to analyze US 100 like NASDAQ. Okay, so I'll remove all this drawing. On daily time frame, if you look out into the NASDAQ right now, so this is the movement yesterday in NASDAQ. After that, today in Asia session, it's not taken the low of previous day, right? It's taking rejection from this point. Okay guys, so you can see low is still pending. Yesterday low is still pending here in the NASDAQ, and by looking out to this candle, there is a possibility to take out the low of previous candle, right? That means yesterday low. Okay, so you can focus that low and you can plan your entry as per your entry model for up to this level, right? This level of 29272, right guys? So let's go into smaller time frame like 4-hour time frame. It's an consolidation, you can see guys. This is an consolidation here after previous low. 1 2 3 4 hours candles are forming on same level, so this is an consolidation in NASDAQ right now, and you can see in 1 hour time frame This is the very big consolidation here. After this smart move, this is an consolidation, right? And maybe there is a chances to move down, like continuation, right? So there should be liquidity sweep here on 15-minute or 1-hour time frame. After that we can go for sale here in NASDAQ. Right now there is a liquidity sweep already done here, and we can plan our trade here, right? So you can see change in state here. Okay guys, there's a change in state here, right? And what I'll do, I'll plan some quantity here by keeping stop loss on this high, and there's a fair value gap also, right? You can see guys, so multiple confirmation is here at this point, and you can guys trade here, right? You can guys trade here. This is very powerful trade because it's having multiple confirmation. Right now there is a no strong movement, but you can do trade here guys by keeping stop loss on this high, and you have your target 1:2 minimum. Okay, and you can easily get this. So what I'll do, I will focus here for, so in 3 minutes also you can see there is a small FVG. Let's see guys, I'm especially look here to take an entry in the NASDAQ, right? So I'm waiting for this level here. I'm waiting for this level, and this my entry should be taken, by NASDAQ right here. So let's wait guys. For a smart entry here. This is a very powerful trade, you can see guys. It's having multiple confirmation right here. Oh my god, so it's moving down right now. We have some late here, right? We have some late. It's a very powerful trade, and we missed this trade maybe actually because there's an entry here only. There is an entry is here only on this level, because right now it will move down. This is changing state right now, and we can do small scalp also here, right guys, by putting our entry here at this level, on this level, right? And by keeping stop loss here, you can plan out your small scalp here, right guys? So this can be very small, very small scalp here you can do, right? So you have to wait for the scalp. So this is the gap here, and we can plan your entry like this, or you can plan your entry here also, like this is an changing state here at 1 minute time frame. Can do your small scalp here at by taking 1:2 ratio here. Okay, this can be continuation of this trade, right? It's very small scalp, you are getting $18 here in this trade, right? And your entry is confirmed here, right? So you can wait for this entry, right? This is an entry here for your bigger scalp, you can say, but this is a small scalp you can do here, right, guys? So, because this is a movement in the market, this is a movement. So what you'll do, you can book your 50% profit here at this low, below this low of this candle, right? Then 50% profit booking. Okay, here will be 75%, right? Okay, guys, so this is a small scalp and you can go for this. Still you are getting the entry. I especially do trade here. I'm doing small scalp here also, but this is my main trade here. Like, I want entry at this moment. I can get the entry here only, but as you know, this stop loss will be huge here, right? So I can continue this trade here, right? I got my 50% profit. I'm expanding my target here in this trade, and I hope you guys are right. I'm 75% profit also done here, right? You guys know I got my 75% profit here, and I extending my target here, right? And my CTC is now cost to cost. I don't have to lose here. My CTC is on cost right now, right? Is on cost. Is on cost, and I don't have fear right now because I booked my 75% profit here. I'm getting my 1:2 here only, but I would like to extend this trade because, as you know, I have made powerful logic here, analysis here, so I know the potential of this trade. I got my 75%, and no worries. Like if this trade taken out here trailing SLR, this is on cost, right? So no worries. I have already 75% target here, so I'm waiting for more in this trade. Like, I know this trade is like that only. Like, here you can take your entry in this trade, and if you are keeping, you can keep your stop loss here. There should be some retracement or retraced, you can say, in the NASDAQ, but this is a movement in the market. So because of that small scalp I have taken here, and I got my 75% profit. You can see, guys, directly hit my 75% profit. So I booked my 75% profit and extended my target here, and I keep my target at this level. So with a very small GSL, getting a huge target here, right? Already I've got 75%, so 25% lots are remaining here only. So no worries, guys. I booked my 75% here only, near to my, actually this is a movement, fast movement, so because of that I booked my 75% here. I have seen now, I have checked right now. So this is a retest, guys. This is a retest, and we can re-enter in the NASDAQ right now. So it's a very powerful trade, guys. Be careful, guys. You will also get your profit here, right? already booked my 75%, means 100% where I keep my target. At that point only I 75% book my lots. 75% of lots I booked here. It's a very huge lots I made here because I know there is a movement in the market right now. So I got my 75% profit already, as you know, guys. So still I'm waiting for bigger target here. There should be some retracement, right? So it's near to my SL, right? It's near to my SL, which is on cost, right? It's taken out my trailing SL. No worries, guys. I booked my 75% here, so no worries, right? So I got more than 1:2 ratio here, right? 17 points or 18 points I got here, so no worries. This trade is like that only. Within a 1 to 2 minutes I got my 75% here, right? It's a trailing SL only. So this trade is like that, guys. So I have made my 75% profit in this trade, and it's very huge profit actually, as you know, guys. It's a powerful trade, guys. Our SL is here initially and it's more than 1:2, you can see, guys. Now the entry is here and I'm waiting for this entry only, and I'll go with this entry here because on bigger time frame you can see, guys, this is a powerful trade here, right? So I'm waiting for my entry here at this moment. Let's see, guys, on this point, right? It's just a retest, guys. It's just retest, and I'm entering here in this trade. Okay, here I'm entering here again. This is an re-entry. I got my 75% here, as you know, and this is my re-entry here. Once again I have entered because by looking 5-minute chart time frame, you can see, guys, this is an FVG, as you know. Okay, and this is a powerful trade right now because this is a point of interest here, right? FVG is created, as well as there's a change in state here. Already we have markout, changing state here. FVG is here, point of interest is here. So this is an SL here. You can go with small quantities, guys, right? Because there is a upside movement in the market, you can see, and after that it can be a retracement. But as per my point of view, and you can see this is an liquidity sweep also, right here in 15 minutes. So this can be a powerful trade here, right? So let's wait for the best. Already we have great profit. I have entered in this trade with small quantities, so no worries if I got small loss in this trade. No worries, guys. My target will be 1:2, and it will be here only, guys. It will be here, right at this point. Here will be your 75% profit booking area. Okay, 50% profit booking area, sorry. And after that you can book your 75% profit here on this level, right? Okay, guys, so this is trade right now. This is a trade right now. This is a order block here. You can see it's complete order block, and currently NASDAQ is in its order block area, right? This is an OB here, right? So wait for the best, guys. Already we have made a small trade, right? We got a small huge profit in this trade, like a small scalp, but it gives bigger profit here. After the liquidity sweep, here is the entry point, right? Here is an entry point, and this is an retest area, right? So main trade is here, right? It can give you 50% profit here, right? This is a SL because of that your target also increases here, like 1:2 minimum you have to take at least. What we will do here, we will check out, this is our NASDAQ trade, and here what we will do, we will check gold what is doing right now. So as we know, gold is moving upside on this point. Why? Don't know. Moving. Maybe there is a news or anything in the market. Let's see what is here. I would like to know, is there any news or anything on this point? Yeah, on 12 p.m. there is a news, so we have to be careful here. Okay guys, there is a news in the market on 12 p.m. IST. So 1 hour time frame, right? By looking on 1 hour time frame, this is an retracement here, and we can measure this retracement with the help of Fibonacci ratio, right? So can be retraced from this point. It's a 5%, 0.5%, right, level, and here you can see 0.6 level, so it can be retraced from this point. So here we can find some point of interest area at this moment, right? I've never ever seen here. This is an support zone, so it can be act as a retracement here at this point. But guys, this can be a very great trade here if we got some multiple confirmation at this point, like FVG or changing state or liquidity sweep at this point. So by looking to our NASDAQ trade, we are back to pavilion, guys, and you can see here it's moving down right now. What I told you guys, this is a perfect trade here we got. It's a second trade we have here in this NASDAQ, in the NASDAQ, right? So it's perfect trade because it's a perfect multiple confirmation and as per our entry model, guys. So you can see our logic, magic of our logic, guys. You can see our magic here, right? We have entered here. We can enter in this point also, but my entry model like that, like I entered in tap in of FPG, so I have entered in the tap in, just near to tap in, right? So this is an 50% profit booking here, or you can book here also. So we back to pavilion right now. There's a movement in the market right now. there's movement in the market right now, guys. So I'm waiting. There is a change in state here in 1 minute time frame right now. Okay, so this is a retest, I told you guys, and this is an perfect entry here. We got already, we booked our 75%, like first trade we have booked our profit here, right? It's a big profit we got here, and in this trade currently it's trading below to our cost right now, so it's perfectly fine, guys. So there is a news in the market. Okay, guys, so there is a news in the market, but you can ignore. What is that news? This news is about RBA Deputy Government House speak. What is the speak? I don't know. But on 12 p.m. and 12:30 p.m. there is a news. On after that 1:30 p.m. also. And after that 2:30 also there is a news, right? Oh my god. Government board member Martin speaks. So many speaks are here today, right? Or maybe there is an conference or anything, I don't know, but there's a news in the market. So what is that speak? I don't know. I've said here, but I don't know. I don't care about news. What will be news or not. Before that, I enter and I know that there is a price action here, and according to that, the market have to move, right? News is a reason to move the market, right? News is the just reason to movement in the market, so I don't care. I have a perfect stop loss here, right? I have perfect target here. I have perfect entry here. I have perfect my entry model here, right? I have everything that according to my plan, right? So I don't have here. I don't care about news, guys. If everything is according to you, then definitely you will win, guys. But everything should be powerful, right? And the powerful thing only you will get here only. So it's moving down, right? NASDAQ is again moving down on, you can see, guys, our trade here. This is a very small scalp I got, and I have made profit in this trade. After that, you can see this is a retracement, and after that it's moving down below to our cost here. After breaking this level or this level, I'll keep my stop loss here, right? I'll move my stop loss here on this level if it will break this level, right? And it should be break. You can see, guys, so bigger time frame, you can see this is a very perfect and powerful trade, right? So there should be movement. There should be movement, right? And you can see the magic of this trade, guys. This is a short-term support, so maybe NASDAQ will struggle here at this moment. It can be take some retracement, and then it will break. Okay, so no worries guys. There should be movement in the market downside. But that movement should be before 12 p.m. guys, because as you know there is a news on 12 p.m. Huh? I'm back guys, and you can see NASDAQ is struggling here, but there should be movement on downside right now here. There's 4 minutes left for news here. As you can see, only 4 minutes are left for news. After breaking this level, I'll keep my stop loss here. I'll move my stop loss here at above this swing, right guys? I'll protect my SL. Let's see guys what will happen. I don't know. The perfect entry I know, this perfect trade I know guys. Only like I know I have trust on my setup, or that's it. If any news will disturb my setup, then no worries guys. There is a news right now in market. Just 3 minutes are left for news. So I want to see, like, I want to check the impact of that news here at this point. What do you think, guys? What is your opinion about NASDAQ? What will happen in NASDAQ? What's your point of view here? It will come down or move up? I want your opinion. All of you. I want your opinion, guys. Put Bola tried of streaming to 0. Let's change that only at SRR from promotion. Are you stream promotion bot? What is that? Why people are doing spam here in the chat? Not getting. Why they are spamming? Okay, guys, you can see NASDAQ coming down right now. Here, only 1 minute left for news. So I told I don't care about news. I just focusing on price action. Price action is telling here like it should have to come down. There should be downside movement in the market right now. It's still not, it's breaking. We should have to exchange our trade here, right? News is positive, maybe. I don't know, guys. What is the news here? I enter with price action, and as per my entry model here, as you know, guys, all the logics and everything I explained before. If you keep your stop loss here, then 1:2 you are getting here only, right, guys? Let's see. News time is here, and I would like to check the impact of news on which side. Let's see, guys. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Tell me. It's moving up. It's moving up once again. Let's see what will happen if you hit your SL or what. Maybe it's unpowerful or it's a positive news, maybe. Let's see, guys. But price action says here there should be downside movement in the market, right now, right here. So again, it's near to point of interest and near to our entry area. So first trade is magical, very magical trade. First, within a 2 minute we got our targets, right? Within a 2 minute we got our target here in the first trade, right? So this is our second trade and we are still waiting here. There is a rejection from this area, you can see guys. Right now this is a liquidity sweep here on 1 minute time frame. Let's see. I'm strongly waiting here. What is the view of 5-minute chart? I would like to know. So here is an liquidity sweep on 5 minute. No issues guys. This is a small, you can see a small support area, a short-term support area you can see here. So because of that, this is an liquidity sweep, or this may be a trap for buyers here. This may be trap. Let's see guys. I'm strongly waiting at this moment. And this is a 50-minute time frame, you can see. There's a liquidity sweep here. After that it's struggling to move down, so let's see. Maybe there is an impact of news here in positive direction. Yeah, maybe it's a impact of news guys. Maybe news is declared here and right now there is a buying in the NASDAQ. Let's see guys. You can see the impact of news here. Oh my god. What do you think now guys? What do you think now? There's a movement in the market on downside, and after that it's moving up because of news only. You have to trade after the news, right? You can see the impact of news here. There's a news on 12:30 also, so this continuous news are here in NASDAQ. So if the trade again come to my near to the cost entry point, then I'll try to close the trade here because I don't want to lose anything, because first trade is in positive. We got huge profit in the first trade, right? So why we have to lose here? This is a gambling here, because you can see guys, it's a perfect trade, perfect entry, but It's the impact of news or something else. Oh my god. Why news is always on opposite direction of your trade? I'm not getting, guys. Why the news are always to your opposite direction? I'm not getting. Always I'm not getting, guys. This is the perfect trade here, and this is the second perfect trade here only. Like as you know, we all are discussed about the logic of this trade as right, guys. So you can check here on once again on 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart. By looking 1 hour chart, there should be a downside movement because this is a selling area, right? And by looking 15-minute chart, as you know, guys, I'll hide everything, right? This is a liquidity sweep right here. Okay, as you know, this is a liquidity sweep. So we are trying to look to take an entry here, but trading that time the market is moving here, so we have waited here for 5. If you go into the 5-minute chart, you see there's a change in state here, and we have marked everything here. Like this is a change in state I have marked already, and there is a fair value gap in 5-minute also. So I have entered in this trade at this area only, right? So in point of interest I have entered in this trade. So trade is back to pavilion, guys, right? So this trade is back to pavilion. So I would like to move out from this trade. So I moved out already here, okay, on my sell, entering on my entry, right, where we have entered the trade. So we have moved out from this trade here. Okay, you have also chance to cut your trade here because there is no potential right here. We will enter on second chance, right? After the news we can enter here. There is a liquidity sweep, you can see here there is a liquidity sweep, but there is a upside movement also I can see in the market right now. So I don't want to be in the trade here, but we can we can enter on second entry model right here. So we don't have any loss in this trade. There is no potential in this trade. If that trade, if the market wants to move down, then there should be movement from this point only, right? So there should be no movement here on upside direction because there is a news here in the market right now. On 12:30 also there is a news. So I don't want to trade during the news. So because of that I have closed this trade on my cost itself, right? So this is our first trade and we booked more than 1:2 here, and this is a very big trade and small scalp but big quantity and large profit we got here. So I don't never want to lose anything here. So because of that I have cut this trade here, and you can see it's near to our cost right now. It's not moving down. It's in point of interest but not moving down. So I'm coming back. Just give me 1 minute. I'm coming back, guys. Oh, it's moving down. Oh my god, guys, it's moving down right now. You can see we have not in this trade, but it's moving down. I have never seen any potential in this trade, so I have moved out from this trade. But this trade should be like that, right? But we are not in this trade right now. No worries, guys. Market will give another opportunity. So now we have profit in our first trade here, as you can see. So this is a powerful trade. This was a powerful trade here, right? By looking 15-minute time frame, this is a powerful trade, right? But there is no potential here in the market because this is a sideways zone, you can say, or 1 2 3 4 4 candles, 15s are 4 60 from 1 hour. There is a sideways, so I'm not interested in this area right now, so I don't care, like smooth down or up. I have exit this trade on my cost. I don't have loss in this trade, or I don't have loss right now, so I'm in the profit area in first trade, right? I got more profit already. So what we'll do, we will look to look here, gold. Okay, by looking gold, there is a liquidity sweep here, and okay, this is a reduction of 5% by Fibonacci, and this is a, there is a changing state. There is no changing state right now, so there is changing state here only, right? So we will wait for changing state in 5 minutes. Okay, guys, in gold. So this can be a changing state. Okay, after that we will think to enter in the gold for sale, right? So I can see here there is a changing state right now. This is a liquidity sweep here, right? You can see in 15-minute chart also. This is a liquidity sweep. After that, now there is a changing state in the market. Okay, on 5-minute chart you can see, guys, and liquidity sweep also here. So let's see, guys, and what is doing right now is NASDAQ is trying to move down. There should be downside movement. There is a news in the market, so because of that we have to be careful. Okay, guys, you can see the impact of news here, right? The 12:30 p.m. on IST, Indian Time Stand, there is a news. After 9 minutes there is a news once again, the second news. After that, say a third news is on 1:30 p.m. I can see here, right? You can go to Forex factory, and if you check, then you can see there is a news on 12:30 p.m. 12 p.m. there was a news. Okay, I can saw the impact. I never saw much more impact of that news, but on 12:30 there is a speak. Government board member Martin speak. Okay, and 1:30 also there is a news. Two news: UBS economic expectation and German IFO business climate. These two news on 1:30 p.m. IST, right? So we have to be careful and we have to wait. So you also, guys, can wait, or you can trade after the news, right? You can trade after the news. So here there is a sideways movement, right, in the market. We have a profit, we are in profit right now. So what we can do, this is a sideways movement, so we can come back once again New York session or after New York and London session overlap. At that time, there can be news in the market. There will be a movement in the market, right? Currently, the market is sideways. It's after that smart move. It's a, you can say it's a consolidation, and you can see here on 15-minute chart. Here is an liquidity sweep here. You can see, and it can be upside movement in market right now, maybe, but this is a sideways zone, so we can't predict here the move up market, right? So right now I'm signing off by the stream, right? We have taken trade, right? We got our trade, okay? As you know, here we are in profit, so I would like to signing off here because the market is sideways, so I never ever trade in sideways market. So we have taken the entry of second trade, but as you know guys, there is no potential in this trade, so it's a sideways zone I saw here, so I taken a smart move to exit from the trade on my cost, right? So we'll trade tomorrow or in evening, okay? I'll post everything on YouTube. Okay, those who are watching from Kick, they can subscribe my channel on YouTube also, so they will get all the post or everything updates on YouTube. Okay guys, so thank you so much guys, thank you so much for coming, showing your interest. Thank you so much. Come every day, learn each and everything here. Open here to learn everything, like teach everything, sorry, and open here to teach you all the things, all about my experience and all, so you guys can note down and learn lots of things here, right? What is exactly price action, how to do money management and everything, how to manage your trade and how to book your profits, everything you will get know here only. No one on live telling everything. As you know, everyone is showing off like just entry and exit. So thank you so much for coming everyone. We'll meet tomorrow definitely. If I'll not come on evening, definitely we will meet tomorrow at same time, so note down our time, and every time you can come on this time.